Hello everyone on the TakeCert YouTube channel. Today I will walk you through 30 essential AWS services you need to know, with the real-world examples and simple explanations. Whenever you are a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video has you covered. Let's start with compute. Need to host your app? AWS Compute Service lets you launch virtual servers, deploy code, or even manage containers. First one, Elastic Compute Cloud. This service lets you launch virtual machines to run your applications. You choose your operating system, scale up or down as needed, and only pay for what you use. The next one, Lambda. Forget about maintaining servers, just upload your code and AWS run it when triggered. It's perfect for automating tasks. And finally, ECS, so Elastic Container Service. You can easily run and manage Docker containers, plus it integrates with Fargate for a fully serverless container experience. Moving on to storage. Every app needs a place to keep its data, right? AWS offers flexible options for quick accesses or long-term backups. The first one, Simple Storage Service. This is where you store files in the cloud with high durability and availability. It's great for backups, websites, or storing your media files. Next up, EBS, Elastic Block Store. Think of it as hard drives for your EC2 instances, fast, reliable, and perfect for databases or critical applications. And last in storage, Glacier. This is for data you don't need often. It's super cheap and ideal for archiving old projects. Okay, now databases. Whenever it's relational, NoSQL or caching, AWS has a database solution for every application. First one on the list is a Relational Database Service, RDS. This is a managed database for apps like WordPress or online stores. It scales your business and takes care of backups for you. Next one, DynamoDB. A NoSQL database that's blazing fast, perfect for gaming apps, mobile apps, or any app needed quick responses. And finally, Elastic Cache. Do you want to make your app lightning fast? Use this in-memory caching service to speed up database queries. Networking. Networking in AWS is all about connecting and protecting your cloud resources. The first one, VPC, so Virtual Private Cloud, lets you create own secure network in AWS, giving you full control over subnets and traffic. Next one, Route 53. Manage DNS for your websites and apps, and even route traffic globally. And finally, CloudFront, a content delivery network that speeds up your websites and videos with servers around the world. Now let's talk about security. AWS provides tools to manage users, encrypt data, and track activity. So the first step, the Identity and Access Management Service. You can control who can access what in your AWS account with roles and permissions. The next one, Key Management Service. Encrypt your data with managed keys. It's a must-have for securing sensitive information. And lastly, CloudTrail. So, want to know who did what in your account? This tool logs everything for audits or troubleshooting. Monitoring and management. Once your application is up and running, these tools help you monitor and manage it like a pro. First, CloudWatch. Set up alarms and track your app's performance with real-time metrics. Next, AWS Config. It keeps an eye on resource changes and helps you stay compliant. And finally, Systems Manager, a one-stop shop for managing EC2 instances and securely storing secrets. Developer tools. So for all the devs out here, AWS has tools to help you collaborate and deploy code faster. First, the code commit. Host your Git repositories to make your CI/CD workflows for seamless deployments. And last, code build and test your code in a fully managed environment. Machine learning might sound fancy, but AWS makes it accessible with these tools. So first, SageMaker. Build, train, and deploy machine learning models, even if you are not a data scientist. Next, recognition. Add image and video analysis into your app, like detecting faces or objects. And finally, Poly. Convert text into natural-sounding speech for audiobooks, apps, or anything voice-related. Analytics. Need insights from your data? These tools help you analyze it faster and more efficiently. First, Athena. Query your data directly from S3 using SQL. servers needed. Next, Redshift, a data warehouse for analyzing massive datasets. And finally, Kinesis, stream and process real-time data, perfect for IoT or log analysis. Application integration. Lastly, AWS helps you apps communicate and work together seamlessly. First up, simple notification service. Send notification to users via email or SMS. Great for alerts and updates. Next one, simple queue service. Use messages queues to decouple parts of your app and make it more reliable. And finally, step functions. You can automate workflows across multiple AWS services with error handling built in. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments which one you use the most or which one you are excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe,